So in this video, I'm going to do a test on the Truma Combi Eco water heater that's installed in the Winnebago Solis59PX. And I want to address some basic questions about the unit, including how to actually make sure that the water tank is filling with hot water, or at least fresh water, how long the hot water actually lasts, how long does it take to fill the tank with hot water, how hot the water actually gets, and what's the best setting for taking a shower. And also, what the heck does the Eco preheat knob actually do? So let's go check it out. So to get started, I made sure the yellow water heater valve was closed, as well as the rest of the water valves. And to ensure that the water heater tank was filling with water, I turned the kitchen faucet to the hot setting to make sure water was flowing. So to fully understand the water functions, I conducted a couple of tests and basically wanted to see the camp setting after waiting for 40 minutes and the city water connection after waiting for 40 minutes. So now I want to test the temperature of the water that's in the fresh tank on the cold setting. So the temperature inside the vehicle is 39 degrees Fahrenheit and it's 7:30 in the morning. Freshwater tank water coming right out of the faucet right now is 43 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's heat it up. Go to boost, and it's 7:45. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes now, and the symbol for the water heater has now shut off. So I'm assuming that means it's ready to go. So let's test it out with just the dry camping setting and see how much water we can get out of it. So water pump is on. Cold, cold, hot. 8 seconds, boom. Steaming up pretty good. Let's fill up this cup, test the temperature out. So it's pretty steamy in here. You can see that the water is pretty hot. So I'm getting a 135 Fahrenheit reading. It's just on the hot. I'm not mixing it at all. Temperature's starting to drop. It's been now a minute and 45. Dropping. Minute 52. Down to 104. Still warm. And now it's getting pretty lukewarm, cold, going down. It's about 244 is where it was at. So with the dry camp setting, waiting for 40 minutes, I got about 2 minutes and 44 seconds of hot water. And as you can see, the temperature started low and it raised up to about 135 or so Fahrenheit. And then it just kind of started going down after that. And now we'll test it with the city water connection. Setting, hot water heater. I'm gonna go to boost and let it do its thing. All right, it's been 40 minutes or so, right? Yeah, 40 minutes. And now I'm gonna do the ultimate test, the final test to see how long you can take a shower and still have hot water. The trick was to get the mix ratio right between the cold and the hot to reach a comfortable temperature, and that took a few seconds. So the shower was fine. I think it was like 40 seconds to do the initial rinse off, and then I lathered up. And then I did another 40 seconds to rinse off all the soap. So all in all, a decent shower. So now I want to see how much time is left after taking one shower. Lukewarm, and it's now cold. There was still another minute and 45 seconds of hot water left to take another shower. So pretty good overall. And lastly, the purpose of the Eco preheat knob is to accelerate the hot water discharge from the faucets by pushing out any cold water in the lines and replacing it with hot water. So if the system is in the dry camp setting, you can avoid filling the gray tank with unused cold water. So that's it. That was my experience using the Truma Combi Eco hot water heater. Hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions or helpful suggestions for me, please leave those in the comment section. I'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching and take care.